Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ganita Sarathi. In our previous video, we have discussed about Pythagoras theorem model problems, right? So today we are discussing a most important topic on similar triangles, that is construction of similar triangles. Okay. See, definitely you will be getting one 4 marks question from the construction of similar triangles. Okay. You should not miss that question, and it is very easy to construct a similar triangle. See here, basically. First, listen the model. We will be having two types of scale factors. We will be having two types of scale factors. One is proper fraction and also one is improper fraction. For example, 2 by 3 is there. 2 by 3 means what? It is a proper fraction. And this one, take this one only, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means what? That is an improper fraction. If I am having a triangle like this, okay, I am having a triangle like this, and if my fraction is, if my scale factor is in proper fraction, then my similar triangle will be inside of the original triangle. Okay, if the scale factor is improper fraction, then my similar triangle will be outside of the original fraction. Okay, this is the main important thing to remember. If it is proper fraction, then it will be, our similar triangle will be inside our original triangle what we have constructed. Okay, if it is improper fraction, the similar triangle will be outside of the original triangle what we have constructed. Okay, now see here. First of all, in constructions, what is the part is giving? Construct a triangle shadow similar to a given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Means, what is the scale factor given? What is the scale factor? 5 by 3. Okay, scale factor is what? 5 by 3. Now, we have to construct a similar triangle. How we will construct a similar triangle? See here, first we have to construct the original triangle. Okay, how we will construct original triangle? He is not giving any measurements, right? So, if he is not giving any kind of measurements, you try to construct the triangle yourself, means by your own measurements. Okay, you can construct triangle by your own measurements. Okay, I am constructing like this. This is A, B and C. Okay, now ABC with 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides. Okay, 5 by 3 means, see here, whenever you are getting the fractions, first see the greater fraction. How much is the greatest part? 5 parts. Okay, so from here or here you should take acute angle. Okay, from B or from C point, from to the exterior, you have to take what? Acute angle. Acute angle means, you know, between 0 to 90, means the angle will be definitely like this. You can draw by your assumption. Okay, this is not degrees. Okay, now so mark it as now you should take a compass. By taking compass, take 1 centimeter. Okay, take some measurement and draw 5 parts like this. Like this, you draw 5 parts. Understood? Any measurement, you can take any kind of measurement, but draw 5 parts without changing the measurement of the compass. Okay, so this will be B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and the line will be X. Okay, right. Now what we have to do now? Whenever the scale factor is 5 by 3, what is the denominator part? 3. So you should intersect the point C point. You should intersect this C point to B3. If the denominator is 5, you should intersect with 5. Okay, now completed now, up to now. Now same, take a compass and draw some measurement, keeping the pointer here, at point B3, keeping the pointer here, draw some measurement like this. Okay, with the same measurement, without changing the measurement of the compass, take pointer in B5 and draw the same measurement like this. Okay, now measure this one with the compass. If you measure this one with compass, after measuring it, same, you should intersect this arc at line BX. Okay, you should draw the measurement after measure this one. See here, you should measure this one. After measuring this, the same measurement, you should draw an arc like this. Means from here, draw an arc like this. Understood? So from this point, from the point of intersection of the arcs, draw the line and extend this line extend the line up to the point. Okay, the same process will be continuing here also. What is the here also you take one arc of some measurement, and from this point take the pointer here and draw an arc the same with the same measurement, and now you measure this one. Okay, after measuring this one, same process, take point here and draw an arc like this. Okay, and take this point to the, see, you will be getting like this. Here I am not having any compass. Okay, so where our similar triangle A is extended to A dash, C is extended to C dash. Okay, now what is our similar triangle formed? A dash B C dash is our similar triangle, right? A dash B C dash is our similar triangle. Listen once again, he is not giving any kind of measurements now, so draw a triangle like this. After drawing this one, what you should do? Take an acute angle from the exterior of B or the exterior of C, take a compass and take some measurement, and with the same measurements you take all the ratios B1, B2, B3, B4 up to total how many parts? 5 parts, B5. Okay, now what is the denominator? 3. Intersect the point to 3. Take some measurement with the compass and draw the same measurement at the 5th part and measure this one, and from the point of intersection draw an arc. The same process continues here also. This is the way to draw a similar triangle diagram. I have already said you before, 5 by 3 is what fraction? Improper fraction. If improper fraction is there, then our similar triangle will be outside of our original triangle. What is the original triangle? ABC is our original triangle. Then what is the similar triangle? A dash B C dash, means it is outside. Okay, so this is our similar triangle. Now you can write the steps. Okay, steps you can write by referring your textbook. I will show you the verification. See here how we will show the verification. We already know that what we know, A dash B C dash is similar to ABC, right? A dash B C dash is similar to ABC. Whenever they are similar, what is the kind of information you will get by for similar triangles? Angles are equal and sides will be in proportion, right? What are the angles equal? See, what are the angles we can make equal? Angle A dash equal to angle A, right? Angle A dash equal to angle A, and angle B is equal to angle B, that is common angle. Next, angle C dash is equal to angle C. These two are corresponding angles. Okay, angles are equal, sides will be in proportion. What are the sides which are in proportion? A dash B by AB, right, is equal to BC dash by BC is equal to A dash C dash by AC. This total value is equal to how much? BC dash by BC means BC dash is how much? BC dash is 5 parts, right? And BC is 3 parts. So we can write this one as this total value is equal to 5 by 3. So this way you can prove your verification. Okay, he will not ask verification to you, but it's better to do that. So this is one kind of model related to construction of similar triangles by improper fraction. Okay, now we will see how we will construct by using proper fraction. See the problem which is on the board. See, in the previous problem we have what we have constructed improper fraction, right? Now we will construct the proper fraction scale factor. What is the scale factor given here? What is the scale factor? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means proper fraction. If proper fraction is there, our similar triangle will be inside the original triangle, right? If improper fraction is there, our similar triangle will be outside the original triangle. Okay, now see here, he is giving some measurements for our original triangle. Use that measurements. What is he giving? AB is equal to 6 centimeters. I am drawing the rough measurements. AB is equal to 6 centimeters and angle A is 60 degrees. Angle B is 50 degrees. Angle B is 50 degrees. Okay. Now take it as point C. Now the same process likewise the previous problem. Take acute angle, take a compass, take some measurement, and A1 how many total parts? 4 parts: A2, A3, A4, A1, A2, A3, A4. The line will be X. Okay. Now where we should connect the B point? What is the denominator? 4. So connect the B point to A4. Now same, take a compass, pointer at A4 and make some measurement. The same measurement by at pointer 3. Like this it will come, and measure this one. You will get an arc. You will get an arc and intersect like this, and the same process repeats. Okay, same. You will be and taking out this one. You will draw an arc here. Same arc as a pointer and draw an arc. You will get a similar triangle like this. Okay, this will be C dash and this will be B dash. Okay. So if scale factor is 3 by 4, our similar triangle is inside our original triangle like this. Understood? The same verification will be continuous here also. What is the verification? What will be the verification here? Verification will be A dash B C dash is similar to ABC, right? A B dash C dash, huh? Yes, A B dash C dash. A B dash C dash is similar to ABC. Same angles will be equal and sides will be in proportion. What are the sides which are in proportion? First you should take AB dash now. AB dash by AB is equal to AC dash by AC is equal to BC dash by BC. AB dash by AB, B dash AC dash by AC, B dash C dash, okay? B dash C dash by BC. This dash no, B dash C dash by BC. So is equal to AB dash by AB. AB dash is up to how many parts? 3 parts. AB means 4 parts. It will be equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So likewise, we have to construct the constructions of similar triangles. Only 2 kinds of methods you will be getting. Either one will be improper fraction or one will be proper fraction. Okay. Likewise, you should construct. Definitely, you should take the arcs and take the measurement. Then only you will get a similar triangle. And the most important part is definitely whenever you are constructing, the lines should be parallel. Okay. This is not, I am not using compass now. So that's why you may get somewhat difference. So here also the lines should be parallel. Definitely the lines should be parallel. It should not crisscross like this. Okay. Definitely, if they are parallel only, then only you can get the exact construction of similar triangles. Okay. Now these are the constructions of similar triangles. Now we will discuss the exam point of view in chapter similar triangles. Now see here, exam point of view. So what kind of questions we will be getting in exam point of view. Okay. Now see, first of all, the main important part is how many types of questions. 4 marks questions we will be getting definitely. Next 2 marks questions and 1 mark question and objective means bits. Okay. So totally how many will be there? 4, 6, 7 and off to 8 means we can take 7 to 8 marks from similar triangles. Okay. Definitely you will get 4 marks questions. First of all, we will discuss 4 marks. Already in our similar triangles videos, just watch all the similar triangles videos. I will be explaining the kind of patterns also, and on that time of the model questions I have said you that these are 4 marks, these are 2 marks, these are 1 mark, like this. I will be giving the outlook. Okay. Now see here, 4 marks questions. What will be the 4 marks questions now? Definitely construction. No chance, definitely we will get a construction of a similar triangles by the ratios which we have discussed previously. Now constructions and exercise 8.4 model problems. Exercise 8.4 model kind of problems are there, right? So that kind of problems, that type of related problems means 8.4 means Pythagoras theorem problems. Pythagoras theorem problems definitely you will be getting in similar triangles. The 8.4 in the exercise 8.4, before you can see in your textbook some examples also. Okay, you can see some examples before 8.4 exercise in your Telangana State Syllabus SSC textbook. Okay, in that examples, the examples are also very most important. Just go through that, practice that, it will be very useful for you in the examination. Okay, so definitely 4 marks questions will be coming from construction, definitely construction. If any case he will miss the construction, 8.4 problems are for sure. Okay, so these are the kind you will get in 4 marks questions. Next, 2 marks. 2 marks means BPT theorem, using BPT theorem or converse of BPT theorem, or ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles theorem. So I explained these 3 theorems to you, and also I explained the kind of problems related to basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality, ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Okay, so definitely in 2 marks from these 3 kind of methods you may get. Okay, they are very easy. BPT means he will be giving one question, you have to do that problem and prove that the solution using BPT, using converse of BPT. Means 8.1, 8.2, 8.3 exercises of Telangana state syllabus. Okay, 2 marks questions and 1 mark questions. 1 mark questions from similar triangles will be based on, I have said you before on my first or second video of similar triangles, right? So first or second video of similar triangles we have discussed about similar triangles and basic proportionality theorem triangles. Means I have given you like this. He will ask us to find the value of x, a, b, c, d, e. He will ask us to find the value of x. Okay, if the question is if the given triangles are similar, if the given triangles are similar means ABC is similar to ADE, then the sides will be in proportion. You should do like that. If the question is used by using BPT, or if the question is if DE is parallel to BC, okay, then you should use BPT and solve the problems. These kind of problems will be you will be having in similar triangles for 1 mark questions. Okay, so 4 marks definitely this one, 2 marks this one, and 1 mark will be understood. Similar triangles, pair of, if they are similar triangles, you should use similar triangles condition. If angles are equal, sides are in proportion. If he is giving DE is parallel to BC or use BPT, then you should use BPT. AB by BD is equal to AC by CE. Okay, and you should learn BPT statements, converse of BPT statements, Pythagoras statement, ratio of areas of two similar triangle statements. If you are definitely you should want to attempt 1 mark questions, definitely you should do all the examples which are given in the textbook. Okay, examples, do this, try this, then only you can crack 1 mark and 2 marks questions. 4 marks you can crack easily by in similar triangles, construction definitely, or else 8.4 given problems he will be asking. But for 2 marks and 1 mark, definitely you should do all the kind of examples and also the do this, try this problems. Okay, so definitely don't feel similar triangles is a hard chapter. Practice more, you can get good marks in your examination. Okay, so 7 to 8 marks, minimum 8 marks you will be getting from similar triangles. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Thank you for subscribing. Please do watch, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Ganitha Sarali. Thank you.